As we gather this week, let's be clear. Our pen is not cosmetic jewelry. Our presence is not symbolic. Our work is intentional, and our mission is urgent. This year's theme, Preparing Leaders to Impact Our Changing World, is not just a slogan. It's a vital part of a movement, and I want you all to be all in this movement.
Welcome to our vibrant city. We are proud to host this conference, and we invite you to explore, engage, and make lasting memories as we celebrate the work and the future of 100.
May your light shine brightly for all to see.
You thought you were going to destroy black people. I'm afraid you waited too late, because every chapter of 100 black men of America has gathered. And we gathered in the midnight hour in a place called New Orleans. And we gathered where nobody else knew we were there. And silently, real softly, we began to tell black children one thing: lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring.
We've demonstrated just how capable we are and what we can become, because we, the youth, are Black history, past, present, and future.
It's not just African American culture, it's the culture of the poor. That we value things, we need things, we enjoy things, but by and large, we're people of a spirit. And that spirit is the thing that makes a way out of no way.
One thing I want to emphasize is how we teach our students about their bodies, what they eat and what they do, will set them up for a lifetime of either poor health or being healthy.
If we really want to educate every child, we should not be waiting for the kids to come to us. We need to meet kids where they are and then catapult them and accelerate them to where they need to go.
Why are you obsessing on Washington, D.C.? Raise your children. Volunteer in your local school board. Work in your local city council. That's where GDP comes from anyway. Obsess about your life for a change. No one's coming to save you.
Nobody's coming to save us.
That's right.
But the good news is that we are capable of saving ourselves.
Yes.
Social media either helping or hurting communication between generations.
Now you can FaceTime, do all these things, but on the opposite side of that, they don't know how to have conversations face to face anymore.
I think we're the most connected society ever before. And my generation is probably the most connected generation ever before.
This group excelled in exceeding all of the requirements of the Leadership Institute. With the congratulations of this group, we now have 84 alumni in the Leadership Institute.
It has been my honor, my privilege, and my pleasure not just to serve the 100 today in this capacity, but to serve the 100 every day in my capacity.
Out of the 5 languages I've been learning consecutively. The first one, Katinia Wengi Sisi Unawoja, which is Swahili for out of many we are one, anytime, any place. And lastly, as a token to the great Louisiana, les le bon temps roulé. Let the good times roll, y'all.
We are grateful for the vision of this organization and the legacy leadership that's brought us to this moment. Every Monday, I get a report for the top 8th graders around the world. I know where the top 8th grade ball players are in like Uzbekistan, I promise you, right? But what we don't have is a roadmap for that same 8th grader to become the general counsel of the NBA to negotiate the next max deal. That's what we have to change. And it starts with exposure.
That retirement is the money money that you will get once you're too old to work. So you need to put away that savings.
Oh yeah, my guy right here. When you matriculate through life, middle school, high school, there's going to be so many more wrong instructions than right instructions. There's going to be so many more people trying to shoot you up to do the wrong thing and not the right thing.
Do y'all think we should have said something when we saw that gun? I mean, I know you knew. And you knew too, so why wouldn't you say something? Why wouldn't you say something?
It calls us to be true to our commitments, true to showing up as the best version of ourselves as we possibly can. Now, I need everyone, Ariana and Isaiah included, I need your voices to be loud, representing Gil's own integrity inside of it.
Oakland Creek. That is correct.
2025 Race B. Godfrey, Junior African American History Challenge champion, the 100 Black Men of Savannah. Please give them a round of applause.
You can invest as much money as you would like. We suggest $124,000, and then you have the ability to pull it out tax-free.
2025 STEM champion is the team representing the 100 Black Men of South Florida. Congratulations.
Appreciate it. And we have a lot to celebrate as Black women because every time this country tries to tear us down, we've been resilient and we continue to climb.
Let me show you guys some love right here. Today I'm going to be making you a cilantro garlic lime soup today. My job is to teach you all the fundamentals and the simplicity of food is medicine. Food is medicine for me is just pretty much, actually 80% of health disparities are diet related. I would even say 90.
You know, I wrote that book because I learned through research and through just anecdotal experience that as Black men climb the socioeconomic ladder, we're at greater likelihood than anybody in this society of developing anxiety and depression. We have the second lowest life expectancy of any demographic in this country.
There's a real tension that I imagine many of us in the room feel between chasing success while also being rooted in service, right? So I'm curious, how did you manage that tension throughout your career and your life journey altogether?
Tonight is a celebration, a salute to impact, to excellence, and to enduring commitment.
This year's Nathaniel R. Goldston Jr. Corporation of the Year Award goes to Next Era Energy.
And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy Orchestra Noir.
Look, our successes are made possible by the passionate work and dedication of our chapters across this country.
Our Constitution begins with we, the people. Now it is our turn, we, the people of the Black community, to lead, unify, and build a future grounded in hope, purpose, and love.
The mission I tasked with the 100 Black Men of America organization is to continue to move forward with determination and hope, as well as continue to fight for a more inclusive and truthful representation of Black men in media.
I've got one more thing to bring to your attention. Truly, I believe this deserves honorable mention. To everyone with a dream and a passion, live it and don't let anyone tell you no.
I got 5 Grammys, right? But one is in gospel, one is a pop Grammy, one is 3 of them are R&B Grammys. So I try to be just authentic in those spaces. But I think what's honest, you know, what comes from the heart reaches the heart, you know? So I just try to be as true as I can.
When you wake up and say, why do I feel compelled to make a difference? It's because of where you come from. It's because of what's in you and how it got there. So let us embrace their spirit of endurance, their intellectual fortitude, and of never giving up. Let's lead on purpose, elevate our communities, and equip our youth to impact a changing world. Let's do that today tomorrow, and beyond. That's the work of the 100, and that's why the 100 is strong. Thank you.